What's up, YouTube? We back again, man. I know we've been missing for a while. You know, shit. Mexican got diagnosed with the coronavirus. It went down, but guess what? Came back strong. Just like I came back strong with this right here. We got the twin. We had the female, as you see, the red one. Now we got the male figure. This right here is a beast. You know, so we got TRD everything up in here. Blower, the suspension. We got everything going on in this truck right here, man. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what we got in the hood. That way you know, these trucks right here ain't to be played with. These right here, they really got something. And guess what? That's all we fuck with. We fuck with shit that got something. So check them out. Check out what's under the hood. We just popped this one. We got baby at the house. It's being restored. We got TRD everything, as you see. Bam, we got this bad boy hooked up. We got that one hooked up in there. This bitch right here smoke all the little Mustangs and Civics and all that shit they got out there. Think they're real quick and shit. I put them on this truck. My red one will get them. So this black one right here, damn sure smoke them. So yeah, that's what we got going on. You know, we got some new lights, whatever. We're just trying to hook it up, man. We got a lot of little things we got to do to the trucks, you know? But just letting you know, man, hey, out there online, shit, you find some great deals during this coronavirus. If it ain't killing you, you might as well come back strong right now. Use it to your advantage. Cause shit, I got a good deal on this truck. We ain't doing no tripping. So as you see the red one, this is an identical, just like it, same year, mileage about the same. It's just that this one right here, this is the monster right here. This is a monster for me and some other shit. But let's turn it on, that way we get a little idea of what it sounds like right now. What we got going on YouTube, man. Y'all keep y'all's head up. Like I tell you, man, hey, I had the corona. It got down on me. I tried to avoid it as much as I could. As you've seen from the videos, that shit came strong. But guess what? It didn't last long though either. So shit, this what's up right here, man. Y'all keep y'all's head up. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Shit, we back. We just coming with some different shit now. Appreciate y'all's time.